좋아요.
네? 그 다음에?
기다려. 그렇죠. 좋아요. 그렇죠. 오. 좋아요. 옆으로. 그렇죠. 해봅시다. 그렇죠. 그렇죠. 스텝을 쭉, 그렇죠. 그렇죠. 자대로, 그렇죠. 좋습니다.
Open. Just learn to obviously rotating, sitting, extending, and try and get the feeling at the right side through the right hip, right knee. So maybe a good exercise for yourselves. So have a good week golfing, guys, and take care.
Go ahead. Accelerate a little faster. Stop sooner. A little bit later than that. One more. Perfect. All right, iron. All right. Same thing. Good, now just release and post. That's it, you're done. One more. Post release. Beautiful fluid. Good shot.
So I've been seeing a lot of swings come through for online lessons with similar issues, especially top of the backswing across the line, which leads to problems in transition, and depending on the level of golfer, they either get steep or they can get way under. So the best fix for that, I found, is get a soccer ball. You can get it at Walmart with this line on the top, kind of straight line. And what you do with it, set up an address with it between your hands and point this line just straight in front of you. It's going to stay on top till about the point where this ball gets in front of your right thigh. Then I want you to feel like you rotate the ball so the line gets at about a 45-degree angle here when the ball is about chest height. If you do that, you're going to feel this left arm rotate here, kind of mid-backswing, which sets the club on plane more like this. If you do that, keep going to the top, you're going to get into a good position, allowing you to make a better downswing and improve your ball striking.
Still think a bump is the way to go from the very top, okay? I still like these as an impact alignment. I just don't get there as quick, okay? There isn't any athletic motion where you do a bump unless you're throwing a javelin, okay? So, number one, leave the bumps for the clubs. Come on over here.
Yo, did someone say bumps, bro?
Yeah, they did, bro. Stay off them. Okay. So, if I get up to the top of my golf swing and I sit here and I start bumping, whoa, bam, you know what's going to happen, all right? So there's no athletic motion that's doing bumps, all right? So the motion you'd like to do would be you grab something that you ain't going to trip on and you're going to jump over it, okay? And jump